student. So let's do two more quick practice, okay, to familiar with the conditional probability in the dependent event, okay. So actually I would strongly suggest you draw the tree diagram or table to help yourself have a clear mind, okay, how to do it, okay. So sometimes you can choose to use the formula, sometimes you can use the tree diagram and table help you to do the counting, okay, without using the formula. So let's start with the quick practice 11.14 first, okay. So there are 4 pair, okay, be careful about the tricky here, 4 pair. So 4 pair of red gloves, so that's mean how many red gloves you have? Actually you have 8 of them, okay, remember. And then 3 pair of the whites, okay. So I will using the blue pen to write it down, okay. So Peter take 2 gloves, so remember Peter didn't take 2 pair, it's 2 gloves, okay. So one by one without replacement, that means the total number won't be keep the same, it will keep reducing when you take out one by one, okay. So we need to find the probability of both reds same color. So what would you need to do is I would strongly suggest you tree diagram, draw it out first to give yourself a more clear image, okay. So first of all you will have 8 reds, then 6 whites, right? So you have 2 choices, either take out the red one or you take out the white one, okay. So let's think about it. If you take out the red one, so the probability will be 8 out of how many? 14. If you take out the white one, it will be 6 out of 14, okay. So if you take the red one, the remaining will become 7 reds, then 6 whites, then next one will be 8 reds, then 5 whites, okay, got it? So this is the first one. Don't forget Peter not just taking first one glove, Peter is taking out 2 gloves, okay. So you still have the second time, okay. So second time again you can take out the red one, you can take out the white one, okay. So that means you have total have 4 different combination, okay. So think about it. If you take out the red one, the probability would it keep the 8 out of 14? Won't, okay, because the second one will be affected by the event A, okay, the first one. So this is already a conditional probability here because the second will affect by the first one, okay, remember this. So it won't be 8 out of 14 again, please don't write it down, okay. The second probability will be changed. So let's see how can we change. If we take out the red one, that means 7 out of 13. If you take out the white one, it will be 6 out of 13, okay. So if you take out the red one again, it will be 8 out of, same here, okay, 13, 5 out of 13, okay. So remaining, what will you have? You will have if you take out the red, you will have 6 reds, 6 whites, okay, got it. So if you take out the white one, you will have 7 reds, then 5 whites only, okay. So according to the same skill, okay, you just keep writing down. So if take out the reds, 7 reds, then 5 whites, then next one will become 8 red, 4 whites, okay. Write down all the combination after 2 draw, okay. So now let's take a look of the A part, both reds. So that means probability of both reds, that means the probability of first is reds, okay, and the second is red, okay. So where is the first one is red, second is red? Take a look of this. Take out the red, take out the reds, you only got one choice, is red. So the probability will be super easy, 8 out of 14 times 7 out of 13, okay. So answer is 4 out of 13. Done. This is your A part, okay. Now take a look of the B part. B part talking about same color. So what mean by same color? That means you can be probability of red, or probability of white, okay. Don't forget either or, you can only choose one case. Either or in probability we're using plus to present it, okay. So now take a look of the first one, red. Where is the red? Here, right? Red. So where is the white? So we highlight the white first, white, okay. So you have 2 pathway. So first one come from the first A part answer, 4 out of 13, okay, 4 out of 13. Can you see that? So this is the red, then whites will be 6 out of 14 times 5 out of 13. Okay, so answer is 43 out of 91. Done. Okay, so this is quick practice 11.14. So you can see that actually tree diagram help you a lot when you're doing the conditional probability, okay, with the dependent event, because tree diagram already help you to separate the first and second probability. So you can see that both two are about to draw the red graph, but two of them are different because second one is conditional probability. Okay, so now take a look of the quick practice 11.15. This one more complicated. Okay, so let's take a look of this. So also again, try to draw the graph. Okay, so now let's do the first one. Billy has 4 apples, so what we need to do is Billy, then Tom. Okay, Billy have 4 apples, so we have write it down 4 apple, 2 lemon, then nothing. Okay, Tom have what? Tom have 3 apples, 2 lemon, and 1 mango. Okay, Billy and Tom, so you can see that this is their original candies. Now what done is Billy draw a candy at random from Tom's bag. Okay, so let's start. Okay, Billy draw a candy from Tom's bag, so Billy have choice, can take up the apple favors or lemon favor or mango favor, right? Billy have 3 choice. So after choosing all of them, let's see what's the Billy and Tom's choice. So if Billy take up the red 1 apple, so that means Billy have 5 apple favor, 2 lemon now. Okay, so because Tom already lost 1 apple, so it will be 2 apple, 2 lemon, and 1 mango. Can you see that? Okay, so using the same skill, okay, we keep repeating, write it down. So Billy take 1 lemon, so 4 apple, 3 lemon will become. Okay, then Tom will be 3 apple, lose 1 lemon, right? 1 lemon left, 1 mango. Okay, so using the same skill, we keep repeating, mark it down all the possible outcome. Okay, so let's do it together. So Billy will have 4A, 2L, 1M, because you take out the lemon from Tom. So Tom will losing the lemon only. Okay, only got 3 apple and 2 lemon left. Okay, so this is the first part. Okay, the first part is Billy first draw a candy at random from Tom's bag. Okay, and put it in his own bag. Then terrible, we still have the second. Okay, then what? Tom draw a candy and randomly from Billy's bag and put it in his own bag again. So we still have the second. Okay, second is now turn to the Tom's choice. Okay, Tom will take the candy from Billy's. Okay, so what Tom can do? Tom take from Billy, so can take apple favor or lemon favor, because Billy only got apple and lemon favor, right? So same case, we write down all the possible outcome here. Okay, if take out 1 apple, that means Billy lose 1 apple. Okay, but Billy gain 1 apple. Okay, see? So same case, I don't repeat, just write it down. Okay, make sure that you can follow it. Okay, so second choice, what if from second choice we also can take out the apple and lemon, right? So let's do the second one, apple and lemon case. So we still have 2 more case. Okay, so it will become 3A, 3L, or 4A. Okay, this time because you take the lemon apple favor, so Billy will have 1 more apple, 4A, 1L, 1M. Then next one will be 4A, 2 lemon, then 3A, 2 lemon, 1 mango. Okay, so don't forget the third one, we still have 1 more. Okay, need to write that. But this time in Billy's bag, you have 3 different kinds of the favor. So Tom have different choice. Can take out 1 apple favor or 1 lemon favor, or third choice, 1 mango favor. Okay, take it back. Okay, so we have 3 different choice here. Okay, again, keep writing down. So will be 3A 2L 1M. Then here will be 4A 1L 1M, 4A 2L. Then Tom, because you got one more A, right? So you will have 4A. Got one more lemon, so you have 3 lemon. Got one more mango, so you will have 1 mango here. Okay, so this all the possible outcome. Can you see that? So really, tree diagram help you a lot to make yourself more clear what's going on. If someone take your candy and then someone take it back, okay? So how silly they are, you know. Their silly action make you will be feel very, you know, sad to do all those kinds of the question. Okay, now let's start with the A part first. The mango candy is in Billy's bag. Okay, so think about which one is in Billy's bag. The mango candy in Billy's bag. Okay, mango candy in Billy's bag. Only 2 of them. Yes, good. 2 of them mean either or. Either or. I would strongly suggest you using plus. Okay, so what we need to do is mango in Billy's bag. Okay, mango in Billy's bag. It will be, you have 2 choices. It will be, how can we do it? So think about this too. First one is we go like that. Second one we will go like that. So you have 2 pathway. Can you see that? Okay, so we got 2 pathway, right? Let's do it one by one. Okay, so now let's take a look at the first pathway. I need to take 1 mango. So what is the probability of taking 1 mango? Okay, so consider here, total we have 6 of them, and then I take out 1 mango. The probability will be 1 out of 6. Okay, got it? So second, I need to take out 1 apple flavor. So apple flavor come from Tom's Billy's bag. So total there have 4 apples. So we take out from 7 of them. So probability will be 7 out of 7. Okay, 4 out of 7. So we write it down first pathway. Now we need to consider the second pathway. Okay, so take a look of the second pathway. Second pathway, same case. 1 mango first. So it's 1 out of 6. Then second one is different. We need to take out 1 lemon flavors. So here we have total 2 lemon. So 2 out of 7. Okay, so this is the second pathway probability. Then we take out the common factor, 1 out of 6. Then other remaining just combine together. So of course you don't need to do like that. You're just using the calculator, you will got the final answer. Okay, so this is the A part final answer, 1 out of 7. Okay, so after you finish the A part, now let's take a look at the B part. Okay, so B part asking you, the mango candy is in Tom's bag. So what we need to do is, please try to find out all in Tom's bag, the lemon flavor. Okay, so lemon flavor, mango flavor, mango flavor, mango flavor. Okay, so we highlight all the mango flavor in Tom's bag, so you can find out, wow, all these 2 conditions, they are separate. Can you see that? So actually B part, just like the case I have told you before, if you want to find out one particular probability, you can directly do it, or just using 1 minus. Okay, this time I would suggest you using 1 minus will be more faster. Okay, so let's write it down. Probability of mango in Tom's bag. So if in Tom's bag, that means not in Billy's bag, right? So we just 1 minus the probability mango in Billy's bag. So easy, 1 minus the answer in the A part. That's it. Okay, so easy, answer is 6 out of 7. Okay, so this is the B part answer. Now let's take a look of the C part. So C part talking what? Tom draw an apple candy from Billy's bag. So what we need to do is highlight all those combinations first. Okay, so find out all the apple candy from Billy's bag. So first one, apple candy from Billy's bag, apple candy from Billy's bag, apple candy from Billy's bag. So you can see that we got 3 different pathways, right? If you got 3 different pathways, what does it mean? It means you have 3 different cases. So either or, again, 3 different cases. Okay, so what you need to do, we need to use plus symbol to present all three cases. Okay, so first of all, write down the probability. Okay, Tom draw apple candy from Billy's bag, then 3 case using plus to separate them. So now we need to find out one by one their probability. Okay, so let's take a look of the case 1 first. Okay, so think about the case 1. First of all, if Tom draw the apple from Billy, first step is Billy need to draw the apple from Tom's bag, right? So we write down it will be 3 out of 6. Okay, Billy draw the candy first. Then second term, Tom draw the apple favor from Billy's bag, so it's 5 out of 7. So same procedure. Okay, we will consider the pathway 2. Okay, so same case now. First step, okay, draw from Tom's bag first, lemon favor, so 2 out of 6. Then Tom draw the apple favor from Billy. Okay, so it will be 4 out of 7. After that, now consider the third pathway. Okay, final, the last one. So first of that, draw the lemon mango favor 1 out of 6. Then apple favor 4 out of 7. Okay, so using the calendar, combine all together, you will got your final answer. Okay, it will be 9/14. That's it. Okay, so difficult, right? So please do more exercise to familiar with how to do the conditional probability. Try to use the tree diagram. It really help you to how to solve the question. Okay, so that's it. See you